Backed by 16 plus years of cleanroom installation experience, Suzhou Pharma Machinery has executed 500 plus projects globally, focusing on efficiency and quality. We use advanced modular designs for fast on-site splicing, supported by a dedicated delivery team that ensures timely product arrival. Our services comply with GMP standards, covering industries like infusion, plastic bottles, and electronics. Plus, 24-hour professional support guarantees any installation issues are resolved promptly.